Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And today I'm out here with one that's available today. The last I checked, it was still available online, and this is actually two of them. I think there is a white version of this one too. This is the X-Drone Nano 2.0. And this is a really awesome flyer. And nowadays I'm always on the lookout for drones that don't have altitude hold that you guys can still purchase now and flies awesome. And so this is one of them that you can fly without altitude hold that you can get nowadays. And it also has awesome lighting. Let me show you guys the lighting. Check it out. You got red in the front though and green in the rear. But it is doable as a night flyer though. It has the body design language of one of my favorites, the JJRC JJ1000. And so I think the JJ1000 is a spinoff of a X-Drone. I can't remember the name of the original one, but I know it was an X-Drone, and it had this design language first. And it had the same protocol as the JJ1000, and the JJ1000 came after. But this one sadly is not on that protocol. It's not deviated, so I had to bring this with me here. They don't come with this prop here though. This prop comes with a Simon Nano. I just swapped them out to these props here because these props seem to work better with this drone. It makes it fly a little better, but it does fly well with the original props on them. And as you can see, this one has prop guards. This one doesn't have prop guards. It flies great both ways, and I brought both of them out and these two different options just to show you guys how it flies with prop guards on it and how it flies without prop guards. And so without further ado, let's get this guy up in the air so you guys can see how it flies. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I was in first rate, and so it was getting away from me. Let's go back to first rate so I can show you the yaw rate. This is the yaw in first rate. I think the yaw is fast on all three rates. Flying it sideways here. There's very little wind here, so I can fly it around a little in low rates. We're in second rate now. That's forward flight in second rate. It gets kind of sporty already in second rate. Side flying here. Look at the yaw. That's the yaw. And we're at the highest rate. And this is the rate I'm going to fly it around in. As you can see, this thing is fast. Not the best control with this transmitter though, as opposed to flying it with a hobby grade transmitter, but this thing is fast and it controls it well enough. This thing is zippy. So let me bring it back. I guess it is still categorized as a Nano, but it's a little larger than your CX-10 from Cheerson. That's the flip. Let's go up high so you guys can see it. In case the contrast of the green of the trees making it hard to see it. Let's bring it back down. If you guys can't see this, I know you're really not going to be able to see the green one that well. So hopefully you can see it. So I forgot to show you guys the funnels. That's the best of a funnel you can get. Not bad. Let's try a manual flip. I don't remember if this can do manual flips. And the battery seems like it's dying. I don't know if that LVC warning was caused from the crash or if it was already like that. I couldn't tell. Let's see if we can do any flips. Oh no, it's going down. The battery is actually done. So that's why, maybe that's why I couldn't recover from that flip. It's not letting me get any throttle anymore. So let's fly the green one. We're in the air with the green one. You already saw the yaw rate and all of that stuff. So we're just gonna go right to high rates and fly this guy around. So it's still zippy with the prop guards on it. Let's try a flip. Oh, probably couldn't see that. Let's try a manual flip. I guess it just can't recover from those manual flips because I was up really high and it just wobbled itself out of the air. So I guess no manual flips with this one. Unless you catch it perfectly. Let's try one more again. Nope. It just goes straight down coming out of a manual flip. So you can't do manual flips with this one. And I still have some good battery on it. Let me see a flip. Yep, it's still flipping. Wait, let's go down to second rate so you guys can see how sporty it is in second rate. This is mid rate flying here. And I don't want to do any, oh, it just kept going on me. I don't know if that was some kind of interference. It had to be because it just kept going straight. And that's the last thing you want to do is lose something small and green like this in a grassy area. So we're going to be more careful, try to keep this guy kind of close. Still in the air. I'm gonna fly it until it falls. Yep, it's flashing now. Oh, we're going down. Let's try to catch it. And so quick flight of the X-Drone Nano 2.0. Pretty awesome flyer, and it doesn't have altitude hold. Little bug on me. And it's awesome. I'll have the link in the description for you guys to purchase if you want to grab this one. And hopefully it's still there. Last I checked, it was still available online. The X-Drone Nano 2.0. Thanks for watching.